This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Canva's premium features. Canva Pro offers a powerful suite of tools, including millions of stock photos, thousands of templates, and advanced editing capabilities. Understanding the official pathways to access these features can significantly elevate your design projects. We will cover the primary methods available to help you unlock Canva's full potential for your creative needs. The most direct way for individuals to experience Canva Pro is through its 30-day free trial. This trial grants you complete access to all premium features, including over 100 million stock photos, videos, and graphics. You can explore advanced tools like the background remover and brand kits. Just remember to cancel your subscription before the 30 days conclude if you decide not to continue. Canva also provides free access to its Pro features through special programs for eligible groups. K-12 teachers and their students can utilize Canva for education, gaining access to all premium tools for classroom use. Additionally, registered nonprofit organizations can apply for Canva for nonprofits, receiving full Pro features to support their mission. Both programs require verification of eligibility. To maximize your Canva experience, consider starting with the 30-day free trial to fully explore all premium features. If you are a K-12 educator or part of a registered nonprofit, apply for their respective free programs. These official pathways are the best ways to unlock Canva's powerful design capabilities. Always ensure you understand the terms for any trial or program you join.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.